Hi everyone, this is Mr. Howland. I am the music teacher here at both CES and CUES, and I'd like to welcome you to a new school year. Obviously I'm not here today, so that is why I'm making this video to get us started with our music school year. Now, many of you who have been at both either CES or CUES have seen me before, but we may have some new students who maybe don't know what I look like. So I'm going to show you a picture of me so that you can recognize who I am the first time you see me in class. So let's go ahead and show a picture. Well, wait a minute. That's not me. That's Brad Pitt, who is an actor in Hollywood. Hold on. Let me fix this. This is the wrong picture. I'm going to try another one. Nope, definitely not me. This is Thor. I have a hammer, but not like his. Hold on. Let me fix this. Wait a minute. That's not me. Let me count the teeth here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, definitely not me. All right, I've got to have a picture of myself here somewhere. Hold on. Ah, there I am. Mr. Howland. So if you see this picture, you know it's me, and I'm going to be your music teacher this year. All right, a couple things about music for this year. The two things I want you to do when you're in here is I want you to learn about music and to have fun. All right, so those are the two important things. Learning about music and having fun. All right, and the big thing for us in this class is if you do the activities we do, you're going to learn about music and you're going to have fun. But also music, we have to have some rules. So let's go through some of the rules that we're going to have for both CES and CUES. First rule, when you come in here, I need you to take a seat. Now today you're going to be allowed to sit where you wish. However, in the future, I'm going to give you an assigned seat, or a seat just for you. So when I see you next time or after that, we're going to give you an assigned seat. That'll be the place you go each time. But today you can take the seat of your choice. Very important, in this class, you'll be getting up and moving around for various things. Sometimes we play games, do dances, or play instruments. The important thing is, after you leave your seat, always go back to your original seat. Please stay there. Don't pick a new one, especially for today since you do not have an assigned seat. Next important thing we need to do is we have to make sure that we are raising our hand. Now this could be for asking a question or answering a question, all right? So it's very important that you raise your hand. So what I should see is this, okay? Wait till you're called on and you can either ask me a question or you can answer a question that I've asked of you. Very important, raising your hand when you have something to say. Next thing is the peace and quiet sign. Now, the peace and quiet sign is different between CES and CUES. Now, if you're over here in CUES, that means you're in grades 3, 4, 5, or 6, your peace sign is going to look like this. Sometimes you'll hear a teacher, like myself, say signal, put their hand up, and that is the peace and quiet sign. Now when you see the peace and quiet sign, it's important that you stop your conversation or stop making sound and put your listening ears on. So for my friends here at CUES, grades 3, 4, 5, and 6, this is going to be your peace and quiet sign. Hand in the air and we'll say signal. That means it's time to stop making sound and to turn our listening ears on. Now for my friends from CES, your peace sign is just a little bit different. That means if you're a young 5s, kindergarten, first grade, or second grade, your peace sign is a little bit different. Your peace sign actually looks like the peace sign with 2 fingers up. When you see this sign given, you do the same thing. You are going to stop making sound, stop talking, and put your listening ears on. Okay, next thing. In this classroom, sometimes you may need to get some water or go to the bathroom. Now, it's important to understand you're only here for a short time. So if you can avoid having to go get water, go to the bathroom, I would encourage it. But if you do have to go, there's a couple ways to ask me instead of raising your hand and asking to go. Now, there's 2 signs I'm going to show you for going to get water or to go to the bathroom. Now, for water, here's what you're going to do. You are going to put 3 fingers up. All right, let's everyone try that. Put 3 fingers up in the air like you need to get some water. Okay, you put them back down. Now, when you put these 3 fingers up, you're letting me know that you are thirsty and you desperately need water. At any moment you may evaporate and you may disintegrate into sand because you don't have water in you. So put those 3 fingers up. That lets me know that you need to get water. And I will either give you a head nod yes, or I will shake my head no, depending on what we're doing. All right, so no need to raise your hand and ask me for water. Just put those 3 fingers up. Now, for my friends here at Q's who know about how the building's laid out, you are going to go get water by the drinking fountain at Miss Hinkle's art room, so down by the gym. For my friends from CES, that means young 5s, kindergartens, 1st, 2nd grade, you are also going to get water by the drinking fountain by the art room or down by the gym. And if you don't know where that's at, we will gladly show you. So if you need water, 3 fingers up tells me you need water. No need to raise your hand and tell me I need water. I will know what you need by just that signal. Now, if you have to go to the bathroom, sometimes that happens. You have to use the restroom, you really got to go. Here's what you're going to do. You are going to go similar to that peace and quiet sign that we've shown earlier, but when you get those 2 fingers, what you're going to do is you're going to cross them. So you'd raise your hand and cross your fingers, just like that. So everybody try that. Go ahead, raise your hand, cross your fingers. Now, because this is a video, I can't tell if you're doing it or not, but I will guess you are. Okay, go ahead, put your hand down. When you raise your hand and do this, that tells me that you need to use the restroom. Okay, you have to go use the bathroom. Now, again, you don't have to raise your hand and tell me, Mr. Holland, I got to use the bathroom. All you need to do is do this, and I will either nod my head yes or shake my head no. Now, most of the time, I'm going to let you go. Unless I'm in the middle of giving directions, I may make you wait for a second and just tell you no, then I'll send you later. Now, for friends who are at Q's, the bathroom you're going to use is the one that's right next to the cafeteria in the main hallway. So if you're going for lunch, that is the bathroom you're going to use when you come to music class. For my friends in CES, that is Young 5's K, 1st and 2nd grade, you will use that same bathroom, and we'll show you where it's at if you don't know. Basically, it's right across from the cafeteria in the main hallway. You walk down to get here. There are 2 bathrooms there, one for boys and one for girls. Okay, so that is the bathroom sign. So water and bathroom break signs are things you should use. Let me know you needed to use either one of those things or get water, and we don't have to raise hand and interrupt class to do so. All right, that is the first part of our video here. This is Introduction to Music, and I will be back with part 2. We'll see you soon.